Hello everybody! In this video I do a review on the POWERUP 4.0 smartphone controlled paper airplane kit. Alright, let's see what we've got in the POWERUP 4.0. Alright, pulled it out of the box. So that's the POWERUP unit itself. There's the charger. Alright, let's pull this thing out. So just some little ties on there holding all this in. Here we've got a little installation guide, trim card, 3 Invader model paper airplane folding templates. So that's how you fold up the airplane. And that's everything in the box. Now, a lot like when I did my review on the RunCam 2 camera, this product, a lot of the features are online. They have a whole YouTube channel, which all the links to this product and their YouTube channel and their website will all be in the description, where all of their instructions, pretty much anything you need is there. So it's all online. This app allows you to fly the airplane from your phone. You can also change how the airplane flies. There's a lot of settings you can change. I'd recommend watching their YouTube videos to figure out more on that. Okay, so I've got the POWERUP 4.0 unit here on the plane in the app. I've never flown a plane from a phone. You can tilt it to steer it, differential thrust. I have the throttle right here. So let's see how this goes. Ooh. Okay, well that was not on purpose. I think I need to trim it down a little bit because it was flying too slow but climbing too much. 15-second flight. I don't know if I'm going to make that turn. Can you come closer to me, please? So you can hear me. Ooh. Uh-oh. Camera. Here I hit the tree perfectly fine. Just got flying the wrong way and turned a little too sharp to pilot air there.
See how sharp I can turn. Ooh. Should fly it in the sand in his belly. And say it's a good curve.
Well, everybody, thank you very much for staying tuned all the way till the end of the video. If you have any questions, comments, or concerns, I would recommend going to their website to see if they can answer your questions first. Full disclosure, POWERUP did actually send this to me free of charge to make this video for and participate in their online challenges, but this is something I definitely would have purchased. It is very affordable, and I think it is great for anybody who's just getting into RC or someone who's a little seasoned like myself. So if you enjoyed, please like, comment, share, and subscribe this video. So thank you all so much for watching, and I will see you in the next video.